metallic gold slime. And you might remember my sister from the fluffy slime video.
My name is Avery. If you don't remember, my name is Avery.
Yeah. And yeah. So the things you would need is your activator, which is 1 cup of water mixed with 1 teaspoon of borax. And you should mix it together and let it dissolve.
Guys, this actually smells like normal white glue. I mean, it's so weird.
Because it is glue, I mean.
And
you need some clear glue because it'll look better with the metallic in it. It will show up better. And my sister just wanted to use beads. I'm not going to use beads, but she just wanted to make like a crunchy slime.
She used her beads in the last video.
Yeah.
So let's start making slime.
Wait, no. Let's roll up our sleeves and start making some slime. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is you would need to open your glue bottle and empty it out.
That sound.
Yeah. It smells it smells pretty bad.
It's glue, you know what it smells like.
Glue. It's good.
It's glue. I think that's pretty much it. So
that's pretty much how much I'm gonna get out of this bottle.
Me too. So now we're
gonna
take our tape.
No, wait, no. Stop. You're gonna stir it because there's bubbles. And you don't want to. All right, now
you're gonna take
your paint.
Now you're gonna take your paint. Gonna squirt
a drop, a little bit at a time. That was not a drop.
That's good.
That was not a little bit. Avery,
so it starts turning like a metallic gold color.
If you're like me and you want to add a little bit.
By the way, guys, if you let it sit for about a day or two, the bubbles will come out and it will become more clear.
And
so I'm ready for my activator. So I'm going to take my trusty spoon and start adding a little bit of
take your
activator.
Spoon and add until you think it's the perfect slime, and it'll stop
it starts forming together and so it's like
sticking to itself. So I think I'll add a little bit more because
you need it. Oh, I forgot one step. You might want to add a little bit of. Well, we might not add that now, but I forgot a step. If you want it to be a little bit more clear than it could be, you can add water. You were gonna add water, but then we completely forgot.
I wasn't gonna add any more. You were.
Last time she tried clear slime and added in water, she added
I added too
much.
But at the end, I'll show you it at the end of this video, so keep on watching. I'll show you the slime that it came out. It wasn't like a clear slime. It turned out
like a magenta slime.
Yeah, it turned out more like a magenta slime, and it turned out as a foam slime. So I put foam blades, and stick to the end of the video, and I'll show you that slime.
So what we're doing right now is we're just mixing it together. You can see it's kind of coming together.
I didn't add my activator yet, but this is what I've got. See how metallic it is?
Like mine looks a lot different.
Yeah, because she added a lot of metallic paint at first.
Yeah.
Alright, I
think you're supposed to, because then it goes.
You're not.
Then it's easier.
It's not. Alright.
So you see how it's coming together.
I think that's a pretty good
really stringy.
I think that's a good gold color. Yeah. Very nice gold. I think that's a really good gold. So I'm going to start taking my trusty spoon and putting some activator in. So you want to take spoon by spoon.
So this is what it's turning a little bit. It looks kind of gross right now, but once it sits and becomes a bit clear,
yeah, it looks really bad right now, like for her. Mine looks pretty.
It looks ish.
It looks nice.
So you see how it's kind of sticking together.
Avery's, it looks like oatmeal. Like really bad.
It
Looks like a bad oatmeal. An oatmeal that I would not want to eat. That's for sure.
Yeah, it looks like kind of like melty oatmeal. So you can kind of see how it starts sticking together.
Yeah, mine's looking pretty good. I think.
Interesting. Clumpy.
Ooh,
This is why I need to activate it. I'm going to go get a napkin.
yeah.
Or the roll of paper towel, because that might be better.
I might use her spoon.
Mm.
This spoon's better. Great. In my other video, it was so rubbery
It
but
was like...
it felt pretty cool at the end. Yeah, mine's looking a little bit as like hers. It's getting there. Avery, I think you should do the finger test.
I already did.
Alright.
So you can see how it starts sticking together. It's still a bit stringy. That just means we need to activate it more.
And in the morning, I will check my slime and see if it looks a little bit better.
And we'll show you what it looks like in the morning.
Yeah, it'll be on her channel, so make sure to check out her channel.
My new channel. I'm finally going to start my own channel.
It doesn't have to be on mine. So make sure to check out her channel. Give her some love, because she's my sister. And make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and what do you want them to comment down?
Just comment down below if you want to watch my channel or not, and what you think my first video should be about.
She said she wouldn't do as much DIYs as me.
I do more like music. Okay, so it's like about fine, so I'm gonna start.
I'm gonna add a little bit more.
It's a bit sticky, but you know, that's just because like it's not as activated. So I'm gonna throw it back in there. Gonna add a bit more activator. That's my spoon.
So you could keep adding.
By the way, we always wear these glasses around, but we don't even have like glasses.
They don't have lenses. We just thought they were pretty cute, so
And we like wearing them because they're comfortable.
And I wore them in my last video.
Okay, so this is like, it's not sticky anymore. It's not too rubbery. But, like, it's like slime. It's not stretchy enough, so I might add a little bit of lotion. I'll be right back.
You can add
Where's
lotion
your
if you like. You're always
Where's
welcome.
the lotion?
I don't know. It's probably in my room.
Okay. Do not cut the video!
This sister is crazy. Yeah. And my slime, it does not look. Yeah, and then textures. Oh my gosh, it's pretty rubbery. She puts a lot of activator. And last time I learned my lesson, and I'm not gonna add as much activator because I do not want it to be really rubbery. But it felt pretty cool, so I kind of liked it. It feels like, you know what it feels like? It feels like the inside of a pumpkin, like when you carve it at Halloween. That's like what it feels like.
I couldn't find the
Now.
lotion she used in the last video, so I just grabbed some baby lotion. I also grabbed the slime
That I made,
Yeah.
so stick to the end of the video. And I also will show you the slime I made for my crunchy slime video. Yeah, and if you want to be a little bit more stretchy or more soft, you can add as much
Or both.
Yeah, or both. You can add some lotion.
Just like put some on there and like work it in. So it's kind of like a yellow slime right now, but it will turn like a gold color.
I thought you were
when
going to
all
add
the
the
bubbles
beads.
clean up. I will.
She will add the beads.
So you see it's pretty soft and now it's stretchy. And it doesn't feel like
Fingers
rubber.
crossed.
Gonna just add a bit
I'm gonna feel it.
more.
Oh, it feels good.
Yeah,
I
it's
like
good.
it. I think you might need to add some more activator because
Of
it got
course.
a little bit looser and stuff.
By the way, look at my festive pants. It's not even
Best
Christmas, but it's festive.
and her festive
And my
spatula.
festive Christmas spatula.
I'm not festive at all.
You're wearing red. I guess that's a little bit festive, but you know. So I'm gonna start adding the little balls in.
Little beads. Little beads.
I'm in trouble here. And I need to. Okay, I need a bigger.
Music. She's using a lot.
Panicking. No, I'm not panicking. So I'm just gonna add my beads in there.
Mine looks like, they look like poop, so yeah, like poop. And they look really not, like a good color, but they will be in the morning. They will be a nice gold color.
So we're just going to. So we're gonna say bye now.
No, we're not, Avery. We're not ready.
So we're gonna
And
say bye.
we have to show them my slime. Alright, so
You can fit a lot of beads in here
yeah.
to make it like a crunchy slime. Like
Avery,
I also like the texture and the sound of it. It just pops.
Avery.
Yeah,
Okay, you're going to have to clean that up.
Let's see your slime in the bucket.
Okay. So this is my slime. As you can see, it is foam slime. It's purple, like a magenta color.
It smells really good
Avery,
because we
can I have a
used
paper
Tide
towel?
for.
Yeah, it smells like laundry detergent because we
smells
use
really
Tide
good.
for the activator. You can also use like laundry detergents like Stuff Flow or
We don't use
Tide.
Stuff Flow because we don't know where to find it.
We just went to the dollar store and found a bunch of stuff. Like glue. It was kind of like a Dollar Tree slime. Yeah. It was a Dollar Tree
it was
slime.
like a Michael's slime.
No, it wasn't like a Michael slime. We found most of the stuff at the Dollar Tree.
Yeah, but then we found the beads and the paint.
No, I'm talking about this slime.
Oh, that slime was a Dollar Tree slime.
Yeah, except for this, it had clear glue. So as you can see, it's a nice purple color. And it's really pretty. It had, you can see really closely. It has little gold sparkles in it. Really closely. And yeah, that was my slime. And Avery, can you go get my,
You can go get it. She's going to show you.
No, I'm not Avery. I am.
Next video, she'll show you her other slime. So we're just going to say bye now. So much slime.
So, bye! And also make sure to comment down below, have you ever made pearl slime like us? And subscribe and
And also comment down below, what do you think my first video should be?
Yeah. Bye! Bye, guys!